Here we go, phase one of the fruit orchard. Just about in. See, we're going to have about 13 total rows, about 10 rows of trees, maybe 11. We went ahead and run a main so we could put each row on their own individual valve. Hopefully make watering a little bit easier. Still got to get all of these valve boxes in. That's not great. Up there you can see we're going to the valve. Pegs out to the ground. External poly irrigation. And then we're going to add a drip system for the trees. Phase one, near complete.